Alright guys, how you doing? I got another vaporizer slash cartridge video. This is a cartridge by Wulf Uni or Uni. I'm guessing it's Uni. Here's the Instagram and the hashtag. Now let's look at the side. Nice little box. Wulf Uni again. Let's see the back. So I know this is stuff you guys want to see right here. I zoomed in, adjustable height, adjustable width, up to 12mm wide cartridge. It comes with a thread adapter, 510 thread adapter, level window to see how much you have in your car, and then pass-through charging. I'm guessing that's just better, faster charging. And it also comes with a variable voltage, 10-second preheat with 3 temperature levels. Now you've seen the back. See the side, the other side, top of the box, the bottom of the box. It's by Yocan. I've heard of them, but not that great. So this is what it looks like right here. This is the adjustable for the adjustable carts. I think that's the farthest it goes. And it's kind of like to help secure the cartridge onto. But there's that. Love the design. There's the pass-through. It's got LEDs. Every time you press it, you can see inside. And this is the adjustable height, height. Look how big it is. I like these little ones a lot. And then there it is. 7 clicks will turn it on. 1, 2, 3, it'll preheat, I think. 1, 2, 3 again. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. There's not the preheat, but level 1, level 2, and there's the third one, and it goes back to 1. So let's see what it's a 650 milliamp, I think. Comes with a UFC charger and a magnetic adapter. Hope you guys like the video. Tell me about some new mod you guys or vaporize you guys want to see on here. I hope you guys like this a lot. Peace.